So, today guys, mag-reacting tayo sa mga song ng mga YouTuber. Ito, Very Alive, Craft This Track. Ano tong nagtawag? Wait lang, mayan. This track, Stay Fulton and Creek's mom. Hindi ko pa napanood. Try natin to.
You messed up, little guy.
Little guy, okay.
It's time to push you down.
Okay, push you down.
Yo, Creek, what do you think? You're bald, ugly, small, and stinky.
Ooh, that is...
You think you have an aura, but
Ay, nahulog. So, i-rate ko din yung mga ulit.
more black speaks.
Wow! Nagsabi siya ng bad word. What the?
Haven't showered in weeks, so yellow beak. Bitch, 4'6",
Ganun pala.
what's your tooth? Even my second
Kita
chance
niyo
needs
ba?
more clicks. Think red's your color, put you down under your life's a blunder.
Okay.
Up, Biggie, making fist for kitties.
Ah, nakita niyo? Parang sa ano yan eh.
Forest run, as fast
Ano yan? Hindi na sa baba.
Daddy, now get in the van. What up, Creek? It's Humpty. In your bed, I'm taking a dump.
Dumpty?
Don't worry, this will be over easy. That wig of yours is smoking grease.
Anong grease?
You eat dog poop channel. I'm wiping my ass with your flannel.
Ew!
Like a solar panel. Back in your day, you went to school on a camel. Tongue,
Tang sa
you're
hurry
fat,
pa
you're
sa
ugly, your
upgrade
timing
namin po.
poor.
What the? Ew! Ang galing nun ah. Ang galing ni Steak. Gusto ko yun. Yung fire upgrade namin po. Eh! Ew!
Your undies probably got a streaky. Hey,
Buang
Creek,
bastos mo.
deodorant's in stock. You should buy it 'cause you smell like a
Natawa ako dun sa may they are stock. Ganun. Natawa ako dun.
dirty sock. All Fulton fam.
Oh, Fulton! Down. Hindi ko makanta. Galing niya, no? Applejack. Cash. Like a Lorax. Kala nyo, alam ko. Pero, ginaano ko kasi dito sa may mga babagod. Ginabasa ko kasi. Rap. Oh, Creekcraft, I'm back. Maybe let's take a prayer.
You better be
Hey,
before I dig this grave. Creek, you're about a freak. I know you're live and it's your peak, but I got someone on this beat to end you before ends week. Actually, let me just call her up real quick.
Okay. Oh, yung mama niya. You embarrass me. Quickly hop. See? Bad, you are 13. Maya na naman. Wait lang. Ano ko lang yun, guys. Classmate ko yan. Okay. Okay. Palakpakan natin. Actually, good siya. Pero ayoko yung yung Lorax, yung gisabi niya, So, give ko 9 out of 10 kay maganda siya. Okay. Ito, Lame Crows This Track of Music. So, wait lang guys, tinatawag talaga ako. Wait lang.